Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of what I think is the December Boxycharm box. It has to be because I already opened up November's this month. But we're not even in December yet. I think this is the last day of November, but I just got my Boxycharm in at the door. So I'm gonna open it and do an unboxing with y'all and show y'all what I got. So this is the box I had waiting at my door. This is the biggest Boxycharm box I've ever gotten. I don't know what's in here, but we're about to find out. So I probably look like a mess right now. I have yesterday's eye makeup. I haven't even brushed my hair today. Today has been kind of hectic, but yeah, I guess that's my excuse. Anyways, this is the big box. Look how big it is. Let's see what's in here. The cats are gonna be excited that they got a new box to play in for a few minutes before I throw it in the trash. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, we have two Boxycharms. Two. Oh my goodness, what is gonna be in here? All right, so let's start with the little one and then we'll move on to the big one. I did receive all of this complimentary from Boxycharm. Thank you, Boxycharm. So yes, this is December Boxycharm. Tis the season for being extra. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got some really good stuff. Ah! So I'm gonna show you everything and then I'll tell you the prices of it, and then the prices of the Boxycharm boxes will be down below, as well as my Boxycharm link. I have my own Boxycharm link, which is so awesome. Anyways, okay, so we have a La Palette Beauty Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. Okay, so this must be a face wash. Oh, I think maybe it's just actually a body wash. Okay, that's cool. Let's give her a snifferoo. Smells citrusy. That's gonna be so nice in the shower. So I got a body wash. Next up is a 3-piece eye set from Luxe. Luxe Special Edition 3-piece eye brush set. Okay, oops, I dropped one. So we've got 3 eyeshadow brushes. Awesome. Interesting paper packaging. Okay, so now we have a blurring veil, set your goal. This has to be face powder. I'm trying to like rush through this right now because I have company coming over. But anyways, okay. So blurring veil, set your goal, face powder. Awesome. Next up, we've got a product from Murad, a retinol youth renewal eye serum. Ooh, good stuff. I need some retinol eye serum. Oopsie. So this is what it looks like. Next up, we got a Dominique eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, these look gorgeous. I could see them on the back there. This is such a cute little palette. Oh man, wow. These are beautiful. Okay, I love these. All right, let's check out the prices really quick. So the eyeshadow palette retail price is $28. The retinol eye serum, $89. Wow. The eyeshadow brush set is $38. The powder is $25. And the vitamin C cleanser is $32. And also it's a face cleanser because it says removes debris in makeup. And it's jelly. Ooh. Okay, so that was the small box. Let's see what's in the bigger box. Merry Christmas to me. It feels like it's Christmas morning and Santa Claus has just brought me all these little surprise gifts. Ah! Oh my goodness, look at this. Oops, I dropped something. Okay, this looks so fun. What do we have here? Oh wow, Anastasia Brow Freeze. I'm shaking right now. I'm like literally shaking. Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. Ooh, that looks so cool. Oh my gosh, I just accidentally stuck my fingernail in it. Anyways, this is amazing. Next up, we got Dear Midnight Setting Spray. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Black and gold, and it has like stars and stuff on it. Yay! Setting spray. Next up, we got Herbivore, whatever. Cloud Jelly Plumping Hydration Serum. Look how beautiful that is. I want it. Ah! Okay, next up we've got Makeup Magnet Primer from One Size. Secure the Blur. You guys, look how cute this is. This is adorable. I'm so in love right now. Okay, next up we got a Anastasia face palette. Off to Costa Rica. Whoa, this is fancy. Fancy schmancy. Beautiful, look at that. We got a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. Oh my goodness, what is this? Best Dress Lids, Neutrals and Bolts, 14 eyeshadows. Oh my goodness. These are beautiful. I love them. Dew of the Gods, the Weekend Glow Challenge. 2 lace spun sheet mask. Lace spun sheet mask. Oh wow. Okay, next up. We got a Fenty Beauty product here, sweetie. So you need to chill. Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncuffed. Please be a nude that I would love to wear. Oh God, did I break it? This looks like fingernail polish. It does look nudie. My gosh. Is this real life? I am mind blown right now. Cannoli. This is what she's been doing to me. She's being a bad girl. You're being a bad girl, Cannoli. You're being a bad girl. She must be jealous because she didn't get a kitten Boxycharm. Anyways, okay, so let's go through the prices. The Cloud Jelly retails for $48. The Anastasia face palette, $58. The eyeshadow palette from Mally Beauty, $45. Oh, that One Size brand is from Patrick Star. Cool. The One Size primer, Patrick Star, I didn't know that, $30. The Brow Freeze retails for $23. The Fenty, where are you Fenty girl? Oh my gosh, the bubble wrap hanging from the paper. $26 for this. The setting spray, $30. $40 for the face mask. These must be amazing. But oh my goodness, I just got so much. I feel like I'm on like a Boxycharm high right now. This is all amazing stuff. Such a blessing. Wow. I can't wait to use it all. Thank you so much, Boxycharm, for all my goodies. This is like the coolest ever. This is the December Boxycharm. Oh, I guess this is the Boxycharm Luxe because it says Luxe on the box. Ah! I can't believe I got all this. Wow, it's amazing. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me unboxing my Boxycharms. Yeah, I'm so excited right now. I'm all smiles, as you can tell. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I just said that. Don't mind me. I will see y'all next time. If you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. My name is Charity if you're new here, and this is my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. I post all kinds of different videos. I'm kind of random and all over the place, but if you're like that too, then join the fam. I post Boxycharm unboxings, get ready with me's, clean with me's, cook with me's, day in the life, spend the day with me's. I post all kinds of stuff. But anyways, I'll see y'all next time. Again, what is this, like the 3rd time? Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Mwah. Thanks so much, Boxycharm. Once again, I love it all, and I can't wait to try it all out. See you next time. Bye.